Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of Ada 24/7 Noticed. Today we'll be starting with a PYQ. हम लोग आज एक PYQ करेंगे जो ऑलरेडी ये क्वेश्चंस आ चुका है और आज इसके अलावा और सेम टॉपिक में कैसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है उसके बारे में भी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. सो दिस क्वेश्चंस वेयर फ्रॉम ईयर 2023 एंड 4 तब का ये पेपर्स है और कौन सा टॉपिक से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आए हैं एक बार सब देखना. सो आई थिंक आई एम विजिबल, दिस पेपर इज विजिबल फॉर एवरीवन. इज इट क्लियर देयर? ओके, सो दिस पार्ट इज ओनली फॉर जनरल अवेयरनेस और एवरी ईयर आप लोग जो एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं 30 अगस्त को. सो दिस जीके पार्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अराउंड 25 क्वेश्चंस. मैं आज 25 क्वेश्चंस लेके आई हूँ. नेक्स्ट पार्ट फिर से मैं और एक PYQ लेके आऊंगी जहां पे आई विल डिस्कस अगेन 25 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी हियर, इट इज ऑन existence of structured inequalities between groups in society is referred to as. हम लोग ये वर्ड को क्या बोलते हैं जब inequality रहता है between groups in a society? Is it social mobility, social diversity, social stratification या फिर social disparity? So whenever we say about inequalities in a society, उसका एक वर्ड हम लोग कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? We say them as social stratification. Inequality between groups in a society, that is known as social stratification. Do remember such words also come in your exam. Next question, which are the following term describes applications of one's own culture value and evaluating the behavior and belief of people from other cultures? So that is a word, we value our own culture. Apart from that, also we take help from other cultures as well, how they are maintaining their customs, their religions. So for this, the word, it is known as ethnocentrism, means we have kept our culture as superior and also valuing other cultures as well. So that is known as ethnocentrism. Next question, in which railway zone was a Rail Rakshak Dal introduced as a pilot project on September 2024? So that was the current affairs of 2024. So this paper was most probably of 2025, last year's paper. लास्ट ईयर का है क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2024 का करंट अफेयर्स पूछा है. सो यहाँ पे एक नया स्ट्रेटेजी रेलवे ने लॉन्च किया था, दैट इज नोन एज रेल रक्षक दल. So amongst this, which is the answer? किसने किया था? That is by North Western Railway Zone ने ये इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. Next question, what was the theme of 8th Indian Idea Conclave 2024? So ये एक conclave था. It is on 8th India that was held on 2024. इसका आइडिया क्या था? Amongst this option, India's technological advancement, strengthening of India's democratic value, future of India economy, building brand Bharat, imagining India's decades. So amongst that, what will be the answer when we say about 8th India conclave? So whenever we talk about such conclave, it is mainly on building of our India. So such question you can expect this time, like about the visions of Vikshit Bharat. What are the steps that are taken from your state? What are the steps that are taken by our country for Vikshit Bharat campaign? Next question, where was India's first overseas Jan Aushadhi Kendra inaugurated? So it is overseas, means it is beyond India. Where was the first? It is related with medicine. When we say about Jan Aushadhi Kendra, means related with the medicinal plants or herbs that are available in India and which we can use in other countries. As it is written overseas, so the answer will not be India. So it was recently launched on Mauritius. Okay, this is a current affairs. Next, in which state the Sela Tunnel project is located? This is very easy, right? It is located in your own state. So it was a recent opening. You can say on which date it was launched. Okay, here you already know it was recently launched almost 1.5 to 2 years ago, and you can remember the date, कौन सा डेट में ये इनॉग्रेट किया था. And it is a special tunnel of Arunachal Pradesh. It is a dissection actually. Whenever we go from down side, from Guwahati side to Arunachal to Tawang side, so from Salapas we have to again take one another route to reach Tawang or to go to the Bumla side. Okay, next, बिफोर टनल वॉज नॉट देयर, पहले टनल नहीं था. अभी टनल रिसेंटली बनाया हुआ है क्योंकि जब एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस होते हैं वहाँ पे, तब रास्ता पूरा बंद हो जाता है, जिसके लिए एक टनल कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है रिसेंटली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी? इसका क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आ चुका है एग्जाम में, नॉट ओनली द लास्ट टाइम, बिफोर द लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो चोला डायनेस्टी या फिर हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आ चुका है। सो वेन एवर वी से अबाउट द फाउंडर ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी, द फर्स्ट वन वॉज विजयला. Sorry, I can pronounce as Vijayalaya. He was the founder of the Chola dynasty. After that, बाकी लोग का आता है, जैसे राजेंद्र चोला, राजा चोला वन, उन लोगों का नाम आता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रोसीजर फॉर कंस्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट इन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज प्राइमरीली एडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ विच कंट्री? सो हम लोग का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट है वो कहाँ से लिया था? दैट वाज टेकन फ्रॉम द कंट्री ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। नेक्स्ट, इन विच पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आर द फंडामेंटल राइट्स डिक्लेयर? हम लोग का कुछ फंडामेंटल राइट्स रहते हैं ना, we have some own fundamental rights that cannot be taken by anyone from us. So वो कौन सा पार्ट में दिया हुआ है? इज इट पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3, पार्ट 4 और पार्ट 4A ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? क्या होगा नाम? यहाँ पे जो मेंशन किया है वो करेक्ट नहीं है। डू नॉट थिंक दैट इज द आंसर, कहीं पे ही करेक्ट दिया हुआ है। इट इज ऑन रिटन ऑन पार्ट 4 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जब हम लोग बोलते हैं अबाउट द फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ इंडिया। Okay, do remember it is part 4 of Indian Constitution. One second. Fundamental rights is not part 4. It is part 3. Sorry, it's my mistake. So whenever we say about fundamental rights, it is part 3 of Indian Constitution. Okay, it's not part 4. I have otherwise thought the answer. No, it is part 3 of Indian Constitution whenever we say about fundamental rights. Next question, under which of the following conditions can the President of India proclaim a national emergency according to Article 352? So what is the name of the Article 352 where a president can declare any national emergency against the constitution? So what shall be the condition? Failure of constitutional machinery, threat to financial security, war, external aggression, armed rebellion, upon recommendation of a state governor. So when we think of a war situation or any external invasion, then a president can declare about this, okay, national emergency. Next question, how many Rajya Sabha seats are allocated to the state of Bihar? ऐसा तो क्वेश्चन नहीं आते हैं, ऐसे अरुणाचल का पूछते हैं या फिर हम लोग का नेबरिंग स्टेट्स का पूछते हैं। बिहार का गॉड नोस क्यों पूछा था। बिहार का टोटल हम लोग अगर देखते हैं राज्यसभा का सीट्स, इट इज अराउंड 16, यहाँ पे 18 शायद मार्क किया था, इट इज अराउंड 16। इन विच प्लेस ऑफ इंडिया पुष्कर फेयर इज ऑर्गेनाइज? सो इट इज वेरी फेमस फॉर कैमल्स, बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं कैमल्स खरीदने के लिए। इट इज अ वेरी फेमस फेयर दैट वी यूजुअली सी इन द स्टेट ऑफ जयपुर। ओके, so whenever we say about Pushkar fair, so we usually see this fair organized at Jaipur. It is Ajmer, so similar names, so answer is Ajmer. So it is a place of Rajasthan. So whenever we say about Pushkar fair, it is a very famous fair held every year in the state of Rajasthan, where we can see different variety of camels are being purchased. Camel खरीदने के लिए, camel लेने के लिए आते हैं बहुत दूर दूर से लोग। So yes, it is very famous for camel. Next, number 13, the longitude that goes across Greenwich Observatory is called. So we say as Greenwich Meridian, क्योंकि Greenwich नाम का एक जगह है on England, वहाँ से ये longitude क्रॉस करते हैं, जिसके लिए हम लोग इसको ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन भी बोलते हैं। व्हाट विल बी द आंसर व्हेन वी से अबाउट लॉन्गिट्यूड दैट गोज अक्रॉस द ग्रीनविच ऑब्जर्वेटरी? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? यस, दैट इज नोन एज प्राइम मेरिडियन when we say about this longitude. So whenever we say about the different lines that are present in our earth, so these are the latitudinal lines, right? While these are the longitudinal lines, कभी कभी ऐसे भी पूछते हैं कि amongst this lines what are the difference, are all the latitudinal line parallel, longitudinal line parallel, ये सब भी आता है। कभी कभी ऐसे भी पूछते हैं what is the difference between 1 degree longitude। अभी मान लो मुझे 0 से 1 जाना है, कितना डिस्टेंस है, what is the distance between 0 and 1 degree, you have to learn. And also to see international date time means every second that is passed from this side, in the western side, ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर, वी से दैट अ न्यू डे स्टार्ट्स. सो उसके लिए हम लोग कौन सा यूज करते हैं? वी से 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज नोन एज. जो साइक्लोन ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हम लोग देखते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इज इट हरिकेन, टाइफून, साइक्लोन और विली विली? वी डू नॉट यूजुअली सी साइक्लोन हियर इन इंडिया बिकॉज we are means all the states in India are not very close to any sea or ocean, जिसके लिए जो कोस्टल एरियाज का स्टेट्स है वही कभी कभी देखते हैं, मीन्स दे कैन see the cyclone. But when we say about Australia, yes, it is a island nation, island continent. It is a country. Also, it is a continent. So yes, this is very unique, and it is a willy willy type tropical cyclone which we usually see in Australia. Next, when we say about yellow revolution, we are saying about oilseed production, right? Pura red kar diya na? Yes. So there are various types of revolutions. Sometimes it is also asked about golden fiber revolution, which is for jute, and sometimes it is also asked for green revolution, white revolution, then brown, black revolution. So there are various types of revolution which are associated with India. Next, which are the following is microblogging platform and social networking website founded by David Karp. So उन्होंने कौन सा इनमें से प्लेटफॉर्म, ब्लॉगिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, कौन सा उन्होंने पहले निकाला था? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? Is it Tumblr, MySpace, LinkedIn or Firewall? So among this, it is this is the platform Tumblr. Apart from that, you also go who has first started with LinkedIn or the Firewall. Next, the Air Force Administrative College is located in which of the following cities? Important question, you should know. When we say about Air Force Administrative College, few days back we have seen a series which is frequently been on the internet, Operation Safed Sagar. Yes, so whenever we say about administrative college, that administrative college is located at Coimbatore. And what I was saying about Operation Safed Sagar, it is also related with Indian Air Force. Okay, Operation Safed Sagar. Okay, so yes, when we say about this Operation Safed Sagar, you have at least to remember what was for and on which war it was been done by Indian Air Force. So this operation was being done along with Indian Army during the Kargil war. Okay, this was by Indian Air Force while Army was on the ground. Okay, next, INS Vikramaditya was originally commissioned into the navy of which country? So whenever we say about INS Vikramaditya, so it was a naval operation with India and one more country. So what was the country? So it was between India and Russia. Do remember? India and Russia. Next, in which of the following year was World Bank created? Yes, World Bank helps us in many multi-purpose model related with government any schemes. So there World Banks comes into play with our state government to help for helping hands, right? So what will be the answer here? So it was first created on the year 1944. Okay, next, last 6 questions. The World Trade Organization was set up in 1995 as a successor to which of the following? So when was World Trade Organization means found? After which it was found? So what will be the answer here? It was found about after this, the General Agreement on Trade and Tariffs. After that, World Trade Organization was found in 1995. Next, which are the following that led to the establishment of International Atomic Energy Agency? So what proposal led to the formation of this particular deal? Is it New Deal Initiative, Truman Doctrine, Marshall Plan, or Atoms for Peace and Proposal? So what will be the answer here? So when we say about this, we are relating with Atoms for Peace Proposal. Next question. Arunachal Pradesh shares its border with Bhutan in which direction? So this I have discussed in the earlier session. Okay, there I have mentioned one thing which many of you have puzzled. Like I have said about winner of India in Asia Cup, it was 9 times. Amongst them, in the 2020 format, India won 2 times, while the rest 7 times they won in the ODI format. So that do not get confused, because someone have asked me in the comment section that what do you mean by 9 times winner? Okay, Yes. So if this is Arunachal Pradesh, this is the western side, east, north and south side. So in the north side we can see it is maximum occupied by Tibet, while in the southeast side it is by Myanmar. The question was on Bhutan. Bhutan is on the west hand side of Arunachal Pradesh. I hope everyone have given correct answer. Yes, so whenever we say about Bhutan, it is on the west side of Arunachal Pradesh. Next, in which year was the Pake Tiger Reserve initially declared a game sanctuary? So yes, when we say about Tiger Reserve, there are three Tiger Reserve. One is this, one is Namdapha and the other is Kamlang Tiger Reserve. So when it was declared a game sanctuary, it was declared on the year 1977. It was declared as a game sanctuary. Next question. Which company became 14th Maharatna company among central public sector enterprises in 2024? So whenever we say about companies, so it became 14th number Maharatna companies under, it became 14. So it was HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So this is the company. Next, to which country was the first GI Tech fig juice of India exported? So as you have seen, many of our things are GI Tech things are now exported to other countries so that they can also enjoy these things. Like Assam has recently transported their Kazi Nemu, one very big size of lemon. Then they have recently also transported lychee, which is a very famous lychee of Assam Stajpur, to Singapore. So like that questions, yes, you can expect. So this was one fig juice that was exported to the country of Poland by India so that they can enjoy the fig juice of our country. So these are the 25 questions of today's session. In next, I will be again discussing few questions which were asked in last few exams of your this particular exam. And also if you want the PDF of this particular classes that I am doing, you can see in our Ada 24/7 app. You can download from here. Every previous year paper or job alert, everything you will be getting here. Apart from that, if you are going for the last minute preparation, you can go for our test prime for any preparation for your future exams or for your exam that is being coming in 30 August. Okay, so this is all for today. We will be again bringing one new class of next part, as I am doing 6 series of this particular part. So again we will be meeting in our next class. Take care till then, study well.